Eat these 5 superfoods for healthy kidneys. Your kidneys are important because they filter out anything that is not supposed to be in the bloodstream. These bean-shaped organs are also responsible for the regulation of the blood pressure and normalization of acid level in the body. Due to the number of roles the kidneys play 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, they are susceptible to an assortment of problems. One of the ways to keep your kidneys in excellent condition is by eating certain foods that contain nutrients necessary for the strong and healthy pair of kidneys. Red bell peppers. Because they are rich in antioxidant lycopene, eating red bell peppers is good for your kidneys. Lycopene is known to have amazing anti-cancerous properties, thus helping considerably reduce the risks from suffering kidney cancer. What's so nice about the red bell peppers is they are hassle-free to incorporate in all sorts of dishes. Thanks to their phenomenal flavor, cabbage and other cruciferous vegetables. Highly affordable and may be added to the salads and stir-fry vegetables. Cabbage helps to promote healthy kidneys. That's because the cruciferous veggie contains phytochemicals that put a stop to damaging activity of free radicals which may trigger cancer's formation. Cabbage is also loaded with fiber, so it's very good for your gut. Aside from cabbage, it's also a wonderful idea to include cauliflower, kale, mustard greens, broccoli, bok choy, watercress and arugula in your diet because all of them contain sulfur compounds that helps cleanse your body by breaking down toxins. Garlic and onion. These herbs are staple ingredients in so many dishes and are really beneficial for your kidneys. Both garlic and onion are known to help put an end to inflammation, a condition linked to a staggering array of health problems. And one of them is cancer. Each of them suffer many other benefits to your health too. For instance, garlic is known to help lower cholesterol and thin blood flow, thus warding off the formation. On the other hand, onion helps to prevent heart diseases and assist in metabolism of carbohydrates and fats. Berries. Everyone knows that some of the richest sources of antioxidants on planets are berries. The simple consumption of delectable strawberries, blueberries and raspberries is said to help promote healthy kidneys. That's because these various berries are packed with antioxidants that protect cells from free radical damage and potentially mutating and winding up the cancerous cell. Berries are also an excellent source of vitamin C for young-looking skin and strong immune system. Oily fish. Protein is so important not only for stronger muscle but also healthier kidneys. The best source of protein are those that contain very little or no saturated fats, such as oily fish. What makes like mackerel, sardines, tuna, trout, herring and halibut very good for your kidneys are omega-3 fatty acids in them. These healthy fats not only benefit the cardiovascular system but your kidneys too, because they have anti-inflammatory properties.